Hello guys, today we will make Graham balls. First I will put fresh Graham. Second I will put condensed milk. I will put more condensed milk. And then I will put butter. Will put cream. And I will mix it. Mix. One last big mix. It's so good. Okay guys, here is the sticky gooey Graham. It's so good and sticky gooey Graham. Bye guys! Hello guys, I will prepare the toppings. So the sticky gooey. Look this face. This is all. And there's another one, it's a blue color. Oh, and this mallows, like this mallows. They're so sticky on them. Let me put more of this. Maybe this is okay now. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 toppings. 4 toppings. I will put a little bit oil on my hands.
What's the purpose of oil?
Para hindi mag-stick sa hands. Here it goes. Here. You want me to sing? I know it is hard, para siya at yung mauwas ang tinig, di magsisisi dahil yung narinig mula sa sabi ko. Salamat, So I will scoop this sticky gooey Graham. I will make this circle. I will scoop this up sticky gooey Graham. I need to flap this up. Look like a slap. This mallow is big. Oh my god, ganito ka sticky last time yung ginawa nga ma.
After this, I will dunk it one of our toppings. I choose this one, the blue one, the blue sprinkles.
After I roll it like this, I choose the purple and pink and white toppings. One of these toppings is so good. What happened to this one, guys? It's not below now. Let me use this up here. I don't know what is happening. Yes. It is so good. Pink one is the pink one. The pink and the purple and the white one. Look this fluffy mallows. I will lagay here on the Graham. I will put it on the Graham. I will put it on the Graham. I ran out of mallows, so I will put more of them.
More of it.
More of it. So this is all okay now. I will swap now. This one is
Fresh Graham.
It's crushed Graham again.
Ganun kami nila.
Okay. Thank you, we need to use spoon. We need a dough to use to roll it up. We need a dough. So this is all now.
Taktak mo muna.
Tap. We need to tap it.
Yeah.
Guys, look at my hand. So dirty. Can I have tissue too?
Cellphone ni Mama.
This is all already packed. Hello, my mom is what this to me. I said to toppings. She will do the toppings.
Scissors ko.
Medyo maliit guys, so dadagdagan ko guys. Lalagyan ko malaking mallows. Mami ko pag the toppings. Medyo maliit guys, kita yung mallows. Dadagdagan ko. Graham. Crush. Crush Graham is the best I saw. I saw it on the Facebook or on the TikToks. Search mo lang how to make Crush Graham balls. Yun lang ang video ko na makita sa first time Graham balls. Magaling ako gumawa ng Crush Graham na parang kiwi-guli. Fine. Only, Crush Graham balls. Only Crush Graham. Condensed milk. Cream. Only sa kamay. Only oil kamay sa kamay. And spray health topics and more types. Bye, guys. Please support me. Thank you guys. Bye. Hello guys, I will taste test this. I made. Yummy.
Graham balls, taste test. Malos. Asang kami? Sarap. Good job, Ate Nam.